what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have another Stitch Fix unboxing for you. If you guys are not familiar with Stitch Fix, click on my link below and you'll get $25 towards your first fix. If you're new here, thank you so much for watching. My name is Kristen. I do all types of reviews on clothing, subscriptions, and other items. So if you like these kind of videos, please subscribe, and thank you for stopping over. So what I'm going to do is talk about Stitch Fix and what you get in the box. So you get 5 items. Then they send you this envelope here, and you get, it is a style card, and then my stylist is Krista G. So here is the card. I'm not going to read the note. It is pretty long. And then you get your Stitch Fix price sheet. And this one is actually a pricey fix. So we'll see if I like the items. Next, you get your return shipping bag for anything you do not want. That is USPS. So let's get into the bundle. Okay, so here is the bundle, and let's get rid of the paper. All right, so the first item we have here looks like a sweater from Pink Clover, and at the bottom it's kind of rounded, and I do like this type of style of sweater, and then it kind of gathers at the wrist, this is really adorable. I really like this color, and this is a Stitch Fix exclusive. This is the Pink Clover Nicole textured pullover in beige. So this is really nice, and this is an extra small. Very cute. Okay, so the next item we have here is a cardigan, and this is nice as well. So here it is. It's like a light pink color, and it's kind of shorter. It's only got 3 buttons, and it kind of goes low and in the front, and it has pockets. And here is the texture, and then it also gathers at the sleeve. So this is really nice, and it's super soft. This is the Sophie Rue Deandra 3-button double pocket cardigan in blush. I do like this pink color. It's very pretty. Very nice. All right, next we have here is kind of like a pullover with a cowl neck, and it's like a light blue and kind of a darker blue, and it looks like it has drawstrings, and there is the cowl neck on that, and this is super soft. So this is Jack by BB Dakota, Priscilla brushed cowl neck knit top in light blue, size extra small. This is really nice, super soft as well. It looks like a 3/4 length sleeve. And next we have here is another cardigan, and this is very soft, and it is the cheetah print, or no, actually this is, hold on, let me see here. 2-pocket cardigan in salmon. Very nice. And this is very trendy, and I absolutely love this. So I asked for this type of print, and the salmon color is there on the sleeves and here. So this is very pretty. I don't own anything like this. So we shall see what it looks like. And this is the 4SI3 Enna? I have no idea. So if you guys can see that. And this is the Yasi 2-pocket open cardigan in salmon. So that's a different name. And this also has pockets, so this is super cute. So we'll see what that looks like. I like that a lot. And last but not least, we have some leopard pants to go with it. And these are just stretchy black pants. And then down the side detailing, they have the leopard, and they are a straight leg. So you can see that, and the leopard goes all the way down. So this is the by Tribal Antonella print side strip leggings in black, size extra small. Okay, so that's everything in the box. What I'm gonna do is try everything on for you guys, and I will come back. Okay, so the first item is the sweater. I'm gonna bring you guys down a little bit so you can see. This is super cute. I do like how it kind of goes like this, and it's longer, super comfortable, and it fits really nice. I do like the print on here, the material, and it covers the butt, so it's kind of like a high-low. So this is definitely super cute and very nice for fall and very versatile. I really do like this a lot. Okay, next we have is this top. Not really liking it too much. I like the cowl neck on it, but I'm not liking the 3/4 length sleeves here or anything like that. Let me move this so you can't see all my kids' junk here. Okay, so yeah, I do like this cowl neck and how it sits and lays, but I'm not really liking the 3/4 length sleeve because they're like baggy, and this is kind of short. So this really isn't like my style at all, but it is really soft and comfortable. Okay, next we have is this pink blush cardigan. I did like this pulling it out, but then I put it on and it feels kind of like frumpy. Doesn't really fit me as well as I thought. Let me button this up for you guys. So here it is. It's really big and it goes up in the back, so I'm not really caring for this, but I do like the color and I feel like it's gonna like fall off my shoulder. Like it's just too big and looks really frumpy on me, but it is warm and cozy. So if you like these kind of cardigans, then this definitely would be for you. Here is the color. Like I said, it's super pretty and looks really nice on this color, but it's just really frumpy for me. So I'm just not really caring for this one. All right, next we have are the pants. Yeah, these are a definite no for me. They're not really anything I would gravitate towards. They're a little bit long for me, so they bunch here at the bottom and they just don't fit right at all. They come up to the belly button, but they are a little bit big and baggy. But I do like this down the side. I think that's really cool. It's different, but yeah. So these are the pants, but they are too big. I'm short, I'm only 5'4", so they bunch. Okay, last but not least is this cardigan. I do like it a lot. It's just the salmon color is a little bit different for me. Here it is, a little bit closer. It is a little bit large on me, but it is so comfortable and so warm. But the only thing that's holding me back from buying this is the salmon color. But here it is. It is pretty. I mean, I'm like very on the fence about this one. Let me know down below what you guys think. This is really nice, but I kind of feel like it's going to be super expensive. Let me know about the salmon color. I'm just not feeling it. Okay guys, so I am back. We're gonna go over prices. So I'm really on the fence about this sweater. It is so soft, but it's $88. I can't fathom spending $88 for this. It is so very soft though. So I am really on the fence about that, but it's so pretty. Next we have is these tribal pants with the leopard down the side, and these are $58. I'm gonna pass on these. These really are just not my style at all. They're like a dress pant, and I really don't need any dress pants, so I am gonna pass on these. And this fix, like I said, is pretty high, so I'm not sure what happened. This is Sophie Rue, this blush color cardigan. It was just a little large on me, and this was $48. So I'm definitely gonna pass on that as well. Next we have is this blue like cow neck top. And this one was by Jack by BB Dakota, and that was also $58. So I'm gonna pass on this. And last but not least, I think I actually have this sweater, so I'm gonna pass on this. And this is the pink clover sweater, and this was probably the cheapest, so $44. Let you guys know down below if I decide to keep the leopard cardigan. Let me know your thoughts. It is $88. I just see it as that's a lot of money for a cardigan. Total for the box was $296. Buy off I discount is $74. $222. This is one of my highest fixes that I've seen in a while. So I'm not sure why they sent that when I have everything set to the lowest price. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye.